Alright team, nearly done with this whole A cut nonsense. Let's talk about some more very useful keyboard shortcuts. So, you know how we said that I and O were to set in and out points, and then you could press E to add something to the end of a timeline? Well, what if you want to add something to the middle of your timeline at your current playhead? There's a very good shortcut for that as well. So I'm just going to pick two random in and out points, there and there. Now, ideally what I want to be doing, if I drag and drop, I can just drag and drop it. And because Final Cut Pro is great in that it has a magnetic timeline, it means that, you know, as I've put stuff in there, the rest of the timeline like moves to accommodate it. This isn't the case in Premiere Pro where you have to have loads of different layers of stuff. It's just a different way of editing, but this is quite a natural way of editing. It's sort of what you'd expect if you're dragging something into footage. But obviously we don't like keyboard shortcuts, so we've got our in and out points. We just press W, and W inserts your clip at your current playhead point. So that's a very nice thing to do. If, for example, you want to add something in that you've forgotten to add afterwards, and when you're looking through your A cut to see how it's going, you can use in, out, and W to add it mid thing. And actually you can see exactly what those things do over here. So E was the one that we were looking at. Append the selected clip to the primary storyline or the selected storyline. So that's E that puts it on the end of it. W puts it in the middle of it, and Q connects it to the primary storyline by putting it above. So I've got my in and out point selected. If I press Q now, then this actually comes up above the main storyline. So then when the night is over and it's daytime, so obviously that looks really weird because there's audio on this. I can get rid of the audio by just scrolling down on this thing and getting rid of it. This is what it sounds like now. People wake up and do certain actions. So then when the night is over and it's daytime, then it becomes a case of trying to... So as you can see, you know, I've got this video feed on top of my main storyline, so it's just screwing everything up. But that'll become a lot more relevant when we talk about adding B-roll at the later segment of this online course. But for now, it's really useful to know that W puts stuff at your current playhead, Q puts stuff above your main storyline. So that's quite handy. Let's now move on to talk about the marker technique for saving time.